Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm really mad. I can never find a good way how to make a Lego butterfly knife. So I'm going to show you the easiest way. So, these pieces, that's all you need, okay? This is the easiest way. So, like this. Then, actually, no, don't use that piece. Do not. Too little. This is a little hard because I'm looking at your guys' angle. Put this like this, and you got your butterfly knife. So, pretty easy. Pretty convenient. Not that hard, honestly. You got these. Everybody should have at least these pieces in there. Lego box. You know, you could design it. Do your designs, you know. That type of stuff. No. It's pretty easy, convenient. So that's all I have for you guys today. See you guys in another video. Bye.